up? What's up? Hey, Chris, what's up? What's up? Nice to see you here. Hey, Nutty, nice to see you too. So, for everyone who is not in the C.F.O stream and watch and has been asking me questions, you guys have about 2 days left. Alright, so 2 days left until the prices go up. Alright, so the link is in bio, okay? And just tap on the tab that says the C.F.O Swinger Watch. Alright, and you guys should be able to join before the prices go up next year, which is in 2 days. Exactly 2. So make sure you guys join the C.F.O Swinger Watch and the C.F.O Discord. And if you guys are confused, if you subscribe to the C.F.O Swinger Watch, then you'll be getting access to the C.F.O Discord as well. So very, very good deal there. Alright. Hey, Fluent Finance, what is up, my man? Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining everyone. Thank you. A nice Wednesday night. It is raining where I am. Okay, so actually let me actually pin this. Okay, so, oops, we will wait. There we go. Lehef, I haven't seen you in a while as well. Welcome, man, welcome. You guys go. Do it this way, a little bit straighter. Perfect. Okay. So, hey Chris, welcome. Glad to see that you made it after your class. Welcome everyone on YouTube. So if you guys didn't know, I do my lives on Wednesday and on Monday and Wednesday from 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, and I go on for about around 45 minutes, I would say. So, you know, I think that's a pretty good amount of time for you guys to send in your ticket requests that you guys want, you know, which stickers you want me to go over, since everyone seems to really enjoy my technical analysis. So, hey Chris, what's up? Dan, hey, haven't seen you in a while. Welcome, man. Alright, so we'll be starting in about 1 to 2 minutes here. Alright, as the notifications are being sent out on YouTube through email and on Instagram with notifications. Okay. For now, I guess we can just enjoy the music here. And while we're waiting, guys, you guys can already submit your tickers right now. I have no problem with that. I'll go over them in a chronological order as well. So if you guys have any tickers that you want me to go over, please tell me now. It's a great time to send in your tickers. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. There we go. Looks a lot better. T, welcome. And Chris, if you have any tickers you want me to look over, please tell me. TTT, welcome. What is up? Okay, So tomorrow I am focusing on Amazon here. All right. So the reason why is that if you take a look at the 2-hour time frame here, okay, we have AAT. Thank you for this first recommendation, ticker recommendation, and then LICY. Thank you, TWLO as well. All right, perfect. Those are some of my favorite tickers there. So Amazon here is highly on watch tomorrow. Why? Well, because first off, we weren't able to hold the 3,400 level. Okay, and from that point forward, we decided to flush below it, and we ended up coming right back down on this descending level of resistance. So this tells me that buyers are not strong here. However, the fact that the overall markets continue to push up higher while most names were beginning to pull back, okay, there's a possibility that Amazon can actually move up higher as well later into this week. So tomorrow, I can expect a nice bounce. And if you guys take a look at the 15-minute time frame, all right, take a look at the 15-minute time frame here. All right, we started forming a nice base, and this base right here looks like a cup and handle. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame, guys. I'm on Amazon, the 15-minute time frame. Here's the cup. Okay, and then if I'm able to draw this out, okay, here's the handle. All right, we have the bottom support and then top resistance. Hey, and reuse. Welcome. Leon, what's up? So Amazon, welcome Daniel, welcome guys. I see a lot more people coming in. Awesome. Everyone on YouTube, welcome. So with Amazon here, we're making a nice cup and handle. Okay, I did not like how we closed. However, depending on how we move tomorrow, we can actually break above 3,390, and that is the level of resistance that I'm going to be looking out for potential move to the upside. Okay, hey Justin, what's up? So I think Amazon is a great potential play tomorrow. Watch out for that. Okay, and let's go ahead and look at the first ticker here that you guys submitted. So PayPal. PayPal is still within that range. It came right back in that range that we were looking at, especially for the C.F.O Watch members here. And if you guys are wondering what that range is, it's that range between 180 to 190. So it's a really broad 10-point range that we've been focusing on, and there's been a lot of buying coming in between that range. How do we know this? Well, because the price has been holding above 180, all right, and it's been ranging around here by now. And what I've also noticed is that we've been forming this ascending channel here, okay, and today we bounced on top of this ascending support one more time. Now, PayPal also has been building a lot of strength here. Okay, I think there's potential for PayPal to move a lot into next year. It's one of those names that are kind of a no-brainer investment pick for long-term portfolios. But PayPal here looks pretty good here in a sense that if you guys take a look at the 2-hour time frame, all right, if we're able to break above 190.50-ish exactly, right, there should be a nice push up to 194, which is where we saw our most previous rejection and resistance. So around 194 will be your kind of a profit target if you guys are looking to day trade or swing trade this thing for a nice 4-point move. But PayPal looks pretty good here. I mean, I'm liking the strength. There's not a lot of selling going on the intraday time frames or the daily time frame. And like I said before, right, PayPal seems to be capitulating the downtrend here for now. All right, and it's found support at a previous area support around 180 back in mid-September and mid-November. All right, so I would say PayPal is a great name to be looking at into the new year. Slickstar, what's up? Okay, the hef. We have your TWLO, okay, TWLO, guys. So this one also looks kind of similar to PayPal here, in the sense that we are on a downtrend. It's clearly a downtrend, just like PayPal. All right, clearly a downtrend. However, we're not seeing. Hey, you're welcome. So for TWLO, we're not seeing that base that we're forming, that we formed on PayPal, and the fact that we're not finding support at previous levels of support. So you know, we're still in that current downtrend. How do I know this? Well, if we just take a look at the points here, the pivotal points here, right? We're making higher lows and lower lows, right? And so the downtrend is still strong, and the fact that we've had a death cross here as well, this makes it look like we're gonna continue to the downside. Okay, so hey Chris, we have 2 Chris's in here now. What is up, Chris? Nice to see you. So there's a lot of my C.F.O Swing Watch subscribers here, so thank you all for joining as well. So I would say for Twilio, if we need to see a break above, I would say around 280. So it's kind of a broad range here. If I'm honest here, I would say around 276 to around 280 is kind of the range that you want the price to be at, and then it has to break above 280 in order for us to reverse higher. All right, but for now, the downtrend is pretty strong here. I don't see any signs that it's going to reverse, but with today's candlestick, doji candlestick here, it can go anywhere. All right, we can flush tomorrow to the downside, but if you take a look at the 2-hour time frame, we've already broken the support here that I'm looking at. Okay, this ascending level support. Okay, so Twilio looks to continue to go lower. Hey, Randy saying, what's up? So Twilio, another rejection at 260 intraday. And that happened, I believe, today. Yeah, that happened today. So rejection at 260, and it seems like we can go lower, potentially hit 249, 248.50. Okay, so if we go lower than that, though, there's possibly you know, there's a possibility that maybe we can go down to 240ish here. So Twilio should be able to see some type of a capitulation in the near-term future, maybe in the month of January. But this tech growth stock has been pretty beat up as well, even though it's a leader in the sector. So yeah, that's it, Lev. Hey Chris, you said, yo, if there's anyone new here, pay attention. This TA always on point. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Yes, listen to that, guys. Listen to that. Slick Start, do you like Amazon for 2022? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. A lot of analysts actually are looking at 4,500 price target for Amazon for 2022. I mean, that's another $1,000 increase in Amazon. So if you guys want to lick up shares, go ahead. I mean, just keep on dollar cost averaging into Amazon. You guys are set for the year. Hey Sky, what's up? What's up? What's up? Kernito, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in a while. Sky, I haven't seen you in a while too. Chris, I'm actually gonna pin your comment here. There we go. Everyone, pay attention. All right, pay attention to this live. Send it to everyone, your mom, your friends. Send this live. Okay, so Chris, I think you said what is that? LICY. I've never heard that before. LICY Holdings. Ah, what is this? Okay, so based off the first impression here, I did not like the chart at all. Why? Way too volatile and no chart pattern and extremely wicky. Okay, there's a lot of wicks on these candlesticks, and so far, big downtrend. But it seems like they had an earnings today, so I don't even know. Let me see. Oh, it's only up 50%, which is kind of huge for a name that's below $10. But Chris, I would say recycled lithium batteries. Okay, long term. I could potentially see, yeah, so lithium is actually one of the sectors that I'm actually looking into for 2022. A little tiny hint there for you guys. But lithium looks very, very good for 2022. It's because, well, you guys didn't know, China and the US has been fighting for control over the reserves, lithium reserves, and miners. So I think lithium mines and miner companies are going to be very, very profitable, whether it be Chinese or American companies. But you guys need to know that the Chinese government has control over a lot of lithium. I would say places that have a lot of lithium, and the reason why that's important is that lithium has become a integral part of society now, as we're changing everything to more of a greener, quote-unquote greener society with more batteries, things that need more batteries, right? And you guys know how important batteries are now with electric cars becoming a real thing. So I think China has a stance over the U.S. I think they're trumping over the U.S. with their lithium control. So I think that could be very, very interesting. But Chris, nice find here. LICY Holdings. I think there's potential for us to head lower. Well, because of the fact that we are in a downtrend. It is a confirmed downtrend. Lower lows, higher lows. All right. And there's potential for us to go and break below 9.15 and eventually hit below to 7.80ish. Okay. I'm gonna wait and see. Seems like the earnings were not too good. The revenue was great. The profit margin was great, but they did miss revenue estimates and earnings estimates as well. So I would say for now, long term, sure, this could work long term, especially if they're recycling. They should be a beneficiary to the increasing market value and increasing market, for lithium. So LICY, I think, has the potential to go lower to around 7.80. You can continue to dollar cost average, Chris, since you are already holding for long term. And make sure you're dollar cost averaging on bounces, okay? So that is it for LICY. And everyone, okay, this is my last warning. We have 2 days left. If you guys want to join in the C.F.O Swing and Watch, and to be able to be a part of the C.F.O Discord, click the link in bio and join right now. Get out of this live, take action, and get in now. Okay, you guys have 2 days left. And on January 1st, okay, exactly at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the price is changing. Okay, so don't come asking me if I have like a discount code or anything. All right, it's going to $49.99 per month final. Okay, so that's my little warning there. To my current subscribers right now on the live, if you guys have anything to say about the C.F.O Swing and Watch, if you guys want to give your honest thoughts on the C.F.O Swing and Watch, go ahead. Go off in the live chat, all right, so that the people who are not in the C.F.O Swing and Watch can actually see what the C.F.O Swing and Watch in the Discord is all about, coming from the actual subscribers that yourselves. So, Chris, you have already said something about it, so thank you. But let's go ahead and look at the next ticker here, BAC. So Dion. So BAC is actually a very, 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 very smart name to be looking at into next year. Okay, it's a little hint there as well. All right, and the reason why is that first off, Goldman Sachs. All right, Goldman Sachs has been pricing in potential rate hikes from the Fed 3 times in the year of 2022. Right, because of the fact that we have inflationary pressure, from inflation, right? The CPI has been showing nearly a 7% last month, I believe, on November, and that's really, really high. Okay, in 30 years. So, and it's been increasing at a fast rate as well. So, with inflation going up higher, the Fed is looking to do anything to make sure we deflate. Right? They're trying to do anything. Their actions are looking for deflationary policy, right? Like increasing rates. And what will benefit from increasing rates, or who? The banks, right? So if you guys know anything about economies or economics, right? The banks would be benefiting, or they will be beneficiaries from increasing rates. So, as people save more and they put more money into their savings account, right, that's more money that the bank can work with. So, hey, welcome guys, welcome. And Slickstar, I will do this next, Disney. So, BAC, first off, looks very, very good. if you guys see me just talking and rambling on while doing the TA here, I know people have asked me, how do you do that, right? So to me, TA has become a second-hand ability. So it's it's like something that I can just do like in the back, as if it's in the back of my hand. And that's one of the basics that you guys should be able to do as a trader. So if you're not familiar or master the basics, right, how can you do the advanced things, right? That should make sense, right? It makes logical sense there. But for BAC here, okay, we have a huge level of resistance at 45. If we're able to break above it, I'm also looking at BAC too, Dion, so thank you for sending that ticker in. The BAC looks amazing here. The fact that we're making a nice base here after a nice run up, okay, so we're having a nice run up, pullback, okay, and then base. So we have a three-way, I guess a three-part strategy here, right? If you guys are looking for trends, we have one, an impulse to move up. Second, a pullback. And the third, consolidation, right? Andres and Lexer Kim, welcome. Lexer, I haven't seen you in a while. What's up? Matt, what is up? Andres, welcome. Okay, so BAC, all right, looks very, very good. Clear support around 43.50 as well. But if you're able to break above 45 and eventually break above, okay, let me get closer here for you all. This daily 50 SMA, okay, which is hanging around 45.76-ish, okay, we should be able to break above all day to 46.50. Alright, so that will be my target for BAC if I get in above 45. That's a pretty good move. That's a really, really good percentage move. That's around almost 5%, right? Yeah, okay, so around 4%. Okay, so for BAC, that's a pretty large move. But I'm going to continue to watch for financial names like major banks like JPM, Morgan Stanley, MS, and BAC here, as we get more information from the Fed when they meet next year. All right, so I'm pretty sure they're meeting somewhere mid-January or February, if I remember correctly. I believe mid-January. But once the Fed meets, I'm pretty sure they'll give us an actual date on when they will be increasing or having a rate hike, okay, increasing the rates. So the financial sector should start pricing in such potential for us to have a rate hike, and next few weeks we might even see that for Bank of America. All right. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one here. Okay. All right, and I pinned a comment here that I made. All right, for all the people who have just joined in with us. Like I said, guys, today's my last day of warning you guys. Alright, don't come to me saying that, oh, can you put it back down to $29.99? That's it. It's gonna change. It's gonna change to $49.99 on January 1st, 12 a.m. Okay, so make sure you're watching for that. Alright. Hey Anthony, what's up? What is up? So Anthony's another C.F.O Swing Watch and the 4-week student as well. So he's been a part of the Charts Focus 1 family here for a long time. And he's also an old friend of mine. So welcome. Yes, you guys have 2 days left. Okay, you guys have 2 days left before the prices go up for the C.F.O Swing Watch and C.F.O Discord. Okay. Hey Anthony, if you have anything to say about the C.F.O Swing Watch, go ahead and type it in. For all the people who are missing out, man. So, final warning, guys. Final. Alright, you guys saw my story as well on Instagram. The C.F.O Swing Watch is going to go up to $49.99 per month. Okay? And I'm not going to be able to change it. So don't come back to me. Okay? Alright, don't come back to me saying that, hey, why is it not $29.99 right now? Right? Well, because I changed it. I've been warning you guys. Okay, so don't be surprised. Alright? Hey, Anthony, thank you. Best financial decision I've ever made. That's awesome. And I know that too because you've been killing it. Okay, so Disney. All right, so if anyone was in the previous lives here last week, I told you guys about Disney, right? Even in I think early December as well about Disney. So Disney here is absolutely been very strong. Okay, even with rising COVID cases, Disney hasn't really made any restrictions yet worldwide. So I think that's why Disney has been going up and hasn't been really affected by any COVID news. But it seems like I said last time, and what I wanted to see for an uptrend is that we've made a lower high now. Okay, so this is bullish. So before we were making, okay, not lower high, sorry, higher lows. So we made a higher low, and how is that possible? Well, if you guys take a look at this, right? So if I, oops, go back to my brush. So here is our first low. Okay. Hey, Tiff. I haven't seen you in a while. What's up? What's up? Tiffany, Tiff. So, oops, I went in a circle. So this is our first low, and this is our second higher low. So this is telling us that just maybe, okay, we can see that nice uptrend and reversal happening. We can possibly retrace our steps after making a nice big downtrend here. So with this in mind here, okay, and the fact that we made higher highs now as well. Okay, so this is our first high, and then this is now our official second higher high. Okay, so with this in mind, all right, with this in mind, here's what I see now for Disney. Okay, so right now the overall markets are looking pretty weak. Okay, so there's a possibility, guys, that we're looking at a ascending wedge here. Okay, or in a macro perspective, a bearish flag. So if we break below this ascending support, okay, that's it for Disney. We're gonna go down and come back to the 140-ish price levels here. So you guys have to watch out for any type of huge rejection at this ascending level of resistance here of this micro rising wedge, okay, or macro bear flag. So for now, I'm staying bullish because of the fact, well, I already said this, right? We are seeing higher lows and higher highs, right? So, and the fact that we are allowing to go up and allowing the 50 SMA to catch up here, I honestly think that there's a little bit more room for Disney to go up higher. So tomorrow, Disney, if you guys see a break above 155, that will be an entry to the long side, and you guys can actually get out around 158. That's a nice 3-point move. And you guys can have around a dollar stop from your entry around 155. So around 154 will be your stop loss. That's a really good 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, right? So I basically gave you guys a nice day trading game plan there. If we see a nice big push up higher from 155, and it seems like we're making a nice flag on the 2-hour time frame as well. So this is a nice bull flag here. Okay, so make sure you guys have a plan to trade. Okay, plan the trade and then trade the plan. You guys understand that? Plan the trade, trade the plan. So Disney is probably going to be a high watch for me tomorrow, unless, well, this plan will probably be washed away here if we gap down tomorrow. But for Disney, this is a really nice chart pattern here on the intraday time frames, on the 2-hour time frame here. If you break above 155, there's potential for us to shoot straight up to 158. All right, so if you guys want to take profits around 157, that's fine as well, since that will also let us hit the ascending level of resistance as well here. So Disney, a very good name to watch out for. All right. Okay, anyone else have any stock picks here? And Slickstar, I hope you are still here and you've seen the analysis of the name that you wanted to see. But just be careful overall. Longer term, I'm still a little bit bearish on Disney. If there's any new lockdown news or anything like that, which I don't think is going to happen. The government hasn't been saying that they will consider a lockdown again. But if any type of news comes out like that, negative news, Disney will fall straight through below this ascending level of support or the broader macro bearish flag. Okay. Hey, thank you for the hearts. Hey, you Lassen, what's up, man? What's up? It's been quite a long time. Slick Star, Twitter and Chris TGT. Perfect. So Twitter and Target. Perfect. And then so, oh, okay. Anthony said, best financial decision I've ever made, and I can't recommend C.F.O even more. Thank you so much for those comments, man. Thank you. So, like I said, guys, if you guys are not subscribed to the C.F.O Swing and Watch yet, or in the C.F.O Discord, get in now. Get out of this live. Whatever you guys are doing, get out of this live and take the leap. All right, you guys won't regret it. I haven't had anyone saying they regret joining the C.F.O Swing and Watch or the C.F.O Discord. And if you guys are confused about the C.F.O Swing and Watch and the Discord, those come together, which is even better. You get the newsletter and you get to be in the C.F.O Discord as well, right? So if you guys are not part of the C.F.O Swing and Watch and the C.F.O Discord, log out now of the live and subscribe before it goes to $49.99 per month. And all the different other tiers also go up in price as well. All right, so there's 3 tiers. Okay, so make sure you guys read each one, what you guys want. So tier 1 is a lifetime, tier 2 is the yearly, and tier 3 is the monthly. Tier 2, the yearly one, will give you a $100 discount yearly if you choose the yearly plan. All right, that's a lot. So that can save you guys a lot of money there every single year. Hey Cray, what's up? Alright, so make sure you guys get in before the year ends here. We have about 2 days left. Give yourselves a gift that keeps on giving, guys. You guys got this. Come on now. Oh, Chris, thank you, man. He said C.F.O has a clean server that's not overloaded with non-trading chatter. Any questions you have are always answered. Yes, so that is very true. I always try my best to answer to the best of my ability and as soon as possible as well. So if you guys want to DM me on Instagram as well, you guys can, always. I'm always here for you guys. Alright, I'm here to help. Okay, you guys will be able to reach me faster on Discord since I am on there nearly 24/7. So if you guys want to subscribe and have access to me as well, yeah, C.F.O Discord, C.F.O Swing and Watch, subscribe to them now under one feed. Okay, so, Twitter. What is going on here? Twitter is getting bashed just like PayPal. And my chart is looking a little bit dirty here. Let me clean this up. Okay, so it seems like we have a huge area of support above 42-ish here. I would say around 41.50 to around 42. Okay. And Chris, thank you so much for that comment, man. Thank you very much. Glad to see a fellow C.F.O Swing and Watch subscriber here as well. So, Twitter, you know, I would say Twitter is also looking to continue to the downside. So simply put, if you break below this ascending level support here, Slick, I think maybe around $42. So if you break below 42, that's when you need to get it. That's when you need to enter short. Or if we bounce at 42 and we reject off of 42.50, that could also be an entry for a short. And if you go lower from there, from that point forward, 41 will be a great profit area, and also another major area of support will be around $38. Okay, so 39 and 38 will be a nice maximum amount of profits that you guys can get from that nice short here for Twitter if we reject 42.50 or if we break below $42. Okay, hey Ramirez, what's up? Richard, glad to see you here. Okay, so I think Twitter here, good potential to the downside. I'm not seeing a lot of buyers here, but if you hold 42.50 tomorrow, that can also be a nice bounce play for a day trade, and you guys can take profits at 43 and around 43.50 as well, which is where we kind of rejected off today. Okay, so if you guys take a look at the high of today, right here. The high of today was 43.55, so we rejected right at 43.50-ish there. So that can also be a profit target for you guys if you go long, and especially if we bounce above 43 here. Okay, for a quick scalp or day trade. Okay, Slick, I hope that was a nice quick game plan for you. If you didn't get that, you guys can always just kind of a reminder here, guys. You guys can always go back to my lives, either on YouTube or on Instagram, because well, I repost them. You guys should always see it pop up on your timelines, so on your feed. Okay, so make sure you guys go back to these lives because I dropped some good knowledge here. So Richard, you said I usually watch from YouTube for the full screen. Hey, yeah, thank you. Optimize, what's up? Of course, Lick, you're welcome, and thank you for even joining. I hope to see you more next week on Monday. Okay, so Target, ooh. So Target has been in an absolute tear. I don't see anything much going on here, but I would say Target may be a nice entry point here. Actually here, Chris. So if you're still here, we take a look at the weekly time frame here. All right, seems like we ended above today, above the weekly 50 SMA. And for the fact that we held this descending level of support here, we can actually come back above to around 235. That's a big move there. So let me make sure I mark 235 here, or around 236. Hey Baga, what's up? Welcome in. Welcome to the live. So Target looks pretty good for potential to come back to 236, which also coincides. This is perfect. So it also coincides with the daily 200 SMA here. So if you come back up and retest the 200 SMA, which is very likely and possible, there is a chance for us to go all the way up to 236 and continue this uptrend. But tomorrow we might have a red day on this. So just maybe here as we come back down and retest the 10 SMA, which is now coming back underneath the candlesticks, and it's starting to support the way up higher here. And the only way that we get confirmation that it's going to support the way higher is that if you come back down tomorrow and retest and bounce off of the 10 SMA here, which is my red line here. Okay. Hey, secrets in my hair. Secrets in my hair. What's up? So if you guys didn't know, secrets in my hair, I think that's you. If you haven't changed your username, he was one of the winners of the C.F.O Swing Watch giveaway. And you're on your last month here, man. So I hope to also see you in the C.F.O Discord and C.F.O Swing Watch after I take you guys off, since you guys got 2 free months. But if you have anything to say about the C.F.O Swing Watch or the C.F.O Discord, go ahead and say it in the live chat. For all the people who are not in the C.F.O Discord and C.F.O Swing Watch, please tell us your experience with the C.F.O Swing Watch and the C.F.O Discord if you can in this live before I leave here. But that would be great. I really hope that you've enjoyed your stay at the C.F.O Swing Watch and C.F.O Discord. Andres, you said, Andrew, what's your favorite stock to play? Scalp or swings? Swings. So if you guys don't know what type of trading I do or what type of style I do for trading, I am a swing trader. Okay, but I'm trying to be a little bit more opportunistic. So I'm looking to do a lot more scalps when there is a scalping environment. Okay, that is my only preference for scalping. Okay, only when there is actual opportunity and when it is in scalping environment. So I always swing. Okay, I can also day trade and scalp, but I always tend to go for swings. All right, but my favorite stock to play, I have none. Because I'm always looking out for the best setups, not for the best names that I want to trade. Does that make sense, Andres? I hope that makes sense. Alright, so I don't have a favorite stock to play. I'm only looking for a setup for a chart, and then I'm going to make a game plan for that, and I'm going to trade that game plan. That's it. Very, very simple. Okay, so that is it for today, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and head to the gym. I hope you guys are staying healthy as well. Yes, and just looking for opportunities and executing, right? And just like that, guys, that is the same thing that I'm telling you guys for the C.F.O Swing Watch and C.F.O Discord. All right, I'm just giving you guys a friendly warning here, right? Friendly reminder that on January 1st, exactly at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the rates are going up for all tiers except for the yearly tier, which is tier number 2. Okay, so tier 1 and tier 3 are going up, right? The lifetime and monthly. So make sure you guys get in before it goes up, right? I mean, what kind of person is going to tell you that, right? No one. I'm actually telling you guys this, right? Because I care. So guys, get in at the dip, buy the dip, BTD, buy the dip at $29.99 per month or the lifetime. All right, so go ahead and look at the link in my bio, or for the people on YouTube, look at the link in the description box below, okay, which is the very first link. It's the very first link in the description box below for all people on YouTube. You guys can click on it and you guys will be rerouted to the C.F.O Swing Watch subscription page. Alright, so everyone who's looking for opportunities, execute. Okay, execute this opportunity. Take action. Alright, I've been reminding you guys for the past month. Alright, and there's quite a few people who've been taking action and have joined. However, I don't see a lot. Okay, and the fact of that is that there's people who don't want to take action, even though they're the same people who've been asking me, right? They've been asking me about the C.F.O Swing Watch, but they don't take any action, right? And so there's been over nearly 100 people who've been asking me by now, right? And less than half has taken action. So that's very, very interesting to see in my perspective. Okay, so make sure you guys take action before the rates go up. Right, take action now. Okay, so that is it for tonight. All right, I will give you guys one more friendly reminder right before New Year's. All right, but I will change the rates at January 1st. There's no turning back. Right, there's no turning back after that. All right, so don't come to me and ask me for $29.99. All right, I can't change it. Okay, I can't change it. It's gonna be $49.99 flat. Okay, right on January 1st at 12 a.m. Okay, so make sure you guys get in before that happens. Okay, have a great rest of your night and evening, guys. All right, stay safe out there and stay safe trading tomorrow as well. Okay, I hope I can see you guys in the C.F.O Discord once you guys subscribe to the C.F.O Swing Watch. Have a great rest of your night, guys. See you next week.